Hello, my name is Hisham. I am a graphic designer. I have been providing graphic designing 1 decade. I have been working as a freelancer on many freelance marketplaces such as Upwork. And now you are watching my video on Fiverr.com. I am expert who uses 2D technology to design effective, eye-catchy and attractive logos. If you are looking for a quality logo design, provide me with your brief, color preferences, and the best websites from where you like the logo, and I will reproduce those logo within 24 hours based on your color scheme, your preferences. I must which you may want without asking for additional price. If you like my offer, kindly contact me so that we can move forward. Looking forward to your business.